Hey guys, it's Trista. I've been making a lot of these lantern tile ornaments lately, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite ways to do it. These are made with alcohol inks, and this is one of the easiest ways to make a really stunning Christmas ornament with these wall tiles. Okay, so this one is just alcohol inks with some chipboard letters on it. So you're going to start with the basic wall tiles that you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, any of the home improvement stores. Maybe want to wipe it off real quick with some rubbing alcohol, but these are alcohol inks that you're going to use on them. For this particular one, I have used wild plum, red pepper, and steam, I believe. And this one has oregano and red pepper on it. Those are the colors that I've used. They are all from Adirondack. So start with your clean tile. Make sure it's dry. If you haven't used these before, this is one of the tools that you need. It's got kind of like Velcro, and then you just tap on this little felt pad to the end of it. It just sticks just like Velcro. So you get your alcohol inks. You can use an alcohol blending if you want. So you just open it. You only need a couple of drops and just place them randomly on the felt triangle or felt rectangle, however you like. You can use the blending tool to kind of get the colors to seep a little closer together. But really you can choose whatever pattern you want. You could do stripes, you could do dots, I'm just kind of going for more of a tie-dye mottled sort of look. I'm adding just a little bit of blending here. I probably added just a wee bit too much for my taste, but if you want a lighter look where it's maybe more ombre, then you could add more of the blending solution. Once you do it, you simply just tap it. Well, kind of dab it. Dab is a better word. Dab it onto your tile. And as you can see, the colors just sort of seep and blend together. They kind of take on a life of their own, and it's fun. It just looks like a little tie-dye. And it really takes only a few seconds to get all your colors on the tile, especially this size. These are 3-inch tiles. I would recommend covering it with Mod Podge when you're done, just so you don't nick any of that color off through the years as you're keeping these tiles. So as you can see here, I'm doing another one just super quickly. I didn't even have to add more ink to the felt. It's already loaded up. You can do several tiles with the felt that you have on your applicator tool there. So, and you just stamp it like you would be stamping a piece of paper with a letter stamper or something. Super simple. No two are ever going to be the same, so they're all original designs. To finish these off, I went ahead and used a custom monogram letter that I cut from my vinyl with my silhouette, but you could also buy monogram letters from Michael's or order them from Etsy, or maybe you have some chipboard stickers that you'd like to use. I finished mine off with just a little bow at the top, and then the hanger on the back I attach with E6000 and let it dry overnight. However, before I do that, I do cover everything with Mod Podge. So, and then I go back and I use E6000 to secure everything together, and voila, it's done. Be sure and subscribe so you can catch all of my videos on lantern tiles.